In this video, I will help you find the best Beats headphones wireless in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Beats Studio Pro Travel. Let's delve into the travel-ready features of the Beats Studio Pro headphones, blending Apple's innovation with Beats' signature style for an immersive audio experience on the go. These headphones are lightweight and foldable, making them perfect for slipping into your carry-on or backpack. The unique USB DAC feature allows for wired USB-C listening, ideal for when you need a reliable connection. Apple's head-tracked spatial audio and transparency mode add a touch of sophistication to your listening experience. The smaller ear cups cater to those with petite ears, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit. With connectivity options including USB, 3.5mm, and Bluetooth, you have flexibility wherever you go. The Beats Studio Pro boasts an impressive battery life of over 31 hours, and a quick 10-minute charge gives you 4 hours of playback. Treble-leaning sound quality offers clear vocals, while the ANC performance excels at reducing ambient noise. At number 4, we have Beats Fit Pro Exercise. Now, shifting our focus to the Beats Fit Pro headphones, designed specifically for exercise enthusiasts looking to elevate their workout experience with a blend of style and functionality. These wireless earbuds are ideal for those constantly on the move, featuring active noise cancellation ANC, akin to the AirPods Pro, ensuring a distraction-free exercise session. The inclusion of small wingtips helps secure a comfortable and stable fit during even the most intense workouts. With an IPX4 sweatproof rating, the Beats Fit Pro can handle your toughest training sessions while providing hand-free access to Siri for added convenience. Offering 3 different ear tip options, you can customize the fit for optimal comfort and sound isolation. The sleek design, available in 4 color options, adds a touch of personal style to your gym gear. Although the microphone performs adequately in quiet environments, it may struggle with background noise, affecting call clarity. Overall, the Beats Fit Pro is a solid choice for fitness enthusiasts seeking a balance of performance and style in their workout headphones. At number 3, we have Beats Studio 3 Wireless Noise Isolation. The Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones excel in providing exceptional noise isolation for an immersive listening experience. The active noise cancellation technology effectively blocks out external sounds, allowing you to focus solely on your music or podcasts. Whether you're in a noisy office, on a bustling street, or traveling on a plane, these headphones create a cocoon of audio bliss. The adaptive ANC of the Studio 3 Wireless adjusts to your surroundings, ensuring that even sudden loud noises are minimized. The tight seal of the ear cups enhances the isolation, immersing you in rich, detailed sound without distractions. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who value concentration during work or desire a peaceful listening environment. With the Studio 3 Wireless, I can enjoy my favorite music with crystal clear quality, free from the interference of external noise. It's like being transported to a private concert hall, where every note is crisp and every beat is felt deeply. The noise isolation of these headphones truly elevates the listening experience to new heights. At number 2, we have Beats Studio Buds Plus Android users. Immerse yourself in a world of enhanced audio quality and seamless connectivity with the Beats Studio Buds Plus designed specifically for Android users. These true wireless earphones cater to non-Apple users by utilizing USB-C for charging, offering improved ANC filtering up to 30 dB at 90 Hz, and providing a battery life of 8 hours and 22 minutes with ANC activated. Weighing only 5 grams, the Studio Buds Plus deliver a balanced sound profile without the excessive bass emphasis typical of Beats headphones, making them a great choice for those who prefer clarity across all frequencies. Android users can enjoy AAC and SBC connectivity options, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. While you won't get features like spatial audio or seamless device switching if you're using an iPhone, the Beats Studio Buds Plus still offer a solid alternative to the Apple AirPods Pro, with a comfortable and stable fit, decent microphone quality, and the option to select between various colorways to match your style. At number 1, we have Beats Powerbeats Pro Workout. With the Beats Powerbeats Pro, my workouts have never sounded better or felt more energized. These true wireless earbuds offer a secure fit with their distinctive ear hook design, ensuring they stay in place during even the most intense exercise sessions. Thanks to the Apple H1 chip and Bluetooth 5.0 support, the connection remains strong and reliable, eliminating any worries about music interruptions. The IPX4 rating makes them sweat-resistant, perfect for enduring rigorous workouts without missing a beat. Boasting an impressive battery life of nearly 11 hours on a single charge, these earbuds outlast most competitors, providing uninterrupted music throughout long training sessions. Compared to the Apple AirPods Pro, the Powerbeats Pro excel in battery life and microphone performance, making them an ideal choice for fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or doing high-intensity interval training, the Beats Powerbeats Pro are the ultimate workout companion, delivering exceptional sound quality and comfort.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.